Hi! Welcome to this week's virtual farm field trip. The theme of the week is soil and creatures in the soil. And we'll be talking through two essential questions. Is soil alive, and what makes healthy soil? So we'll get a head start on that second question, what makes healthy soil? And I'll share with you, it's three things. It's a giant Venn diagram of the physical, the biological, and the chemical aspects of soil. The physical characteristics, Aaron, could you please bring up that felt board?
Yes.
This is an example of what kind of soil, Aaron?
Vermont silty loam.
Which happens to be the kind of soil we have in the youth garden here at 21 acres. So you can see that there's different levels or strata of the soil. So we have the bedrock down here all the way up to the humus where we have all of our tasty stuff. So the physical characteristics, all of these are made up of different combinations of sand, silt, clay, water, and air. Awesome. So we have that physical. Our chemical is the type and amount of nutrients in the soil. So that's things like, what are you most concerned about?
Nitrogen,
Yep.
phosphorus,
Calcium?
calcium,
Potassium?
all of them.
All of them. It would be the pH even.
Yeah.
And then, most important for today, we're thinking about the biological aspects. So that's all the living and decaying material in the soil. And in our soil here in Washington at 21 acres, we've only got about 5% of that organic matter. So 5%, that biological stuff, is what makes soil alive. So today we'll be exploring all those critters such as worms, pseudoscorpions, saddlebugs, etc. And I think it's going to be a fun one. So join us.